In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Lightbox on Wix website. Whether you're cleaning up your site or simply removing unnecessary elements, getting rid of a Lightbox in Wix is a quick and straightforward process. Lightboxes are a great tool for grabbing a visitor's attention, but once they're no longer needed, they can clutter your site. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to remove a Lightbox from your Wix site with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage, enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where all your sites are listed. Make sure you're logging into the account associated with the specific website you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you're selecting the correct one so you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong project. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the specific site you want to work on. You'll see a list of your websites, and under each one there's an Edit Site button. Click on that button to open the Wix Editor. The editor is where all the magic happens. You can customize your site, rearrange elements, and of course, delete things like lightboxes. When the editor loads, you'll notice a vertical toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This toolbar is your control center for editing your site. To find your lightboxes, look for the Page Manager icon. This icon looks like a small page, so it's easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a menu will appear with a list of all the pages on your site. At the bottom of this list, you'll see an option labeled Lightboxes. This is where Wix organizes all the lightboxes connected to your site. Click on Lightboxes to open the Lightbox menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the lightboxes that are currently active on your site. Next, find the lightbox that you want to delete. Scroll through the list until you locate the one you no longer need. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the name of the lightbox. When you do this, a small options menu will appear. The menu is represented by 3 dots. This is the options menu. Click on the options menu to reveal a drop-down list of actions you can take. From this list, select delete. Wix might ask you to confirm the deletion, so if a prompt appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to delete the lightbox. Once you've done this, the lightbox will be removed from your site. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. At the top right corner of the Wix editor, you'll see a Publish button. Click on Publish to ensure that your changes go live on your site. This step is critical because without publishing, the deletion won't be reflected on the live version of your site. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a lightbox from your Wix website. By following these steps, you can keep your site clean, streamlined, and easy to navigate for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.